I dislike routine. I really dislike routine. So the ability to see a new place and work with new people and almost always have a new challenge or puzzle, it's a lot of fun.
I travel on-site to car dealerships and I work with the dealership personnel, kind of implementing the Reynolds software, trying to better their dealership processes.
Usually you are in the dealership from 8 to 5 and you work with your customers. You're either training them or you're supporting them live while they're working with their own customers.
In my initial training, it involved training in the classroom, training in a mock dealership, and training in the field with an experienced trainer.
I think that the training program here at Reynolds prepares its employees tremendously well. We're given all the tools and assets we could possibly want. I don't think there is a more thorough training program, to my knowledge, in the software industry.
Growing up, I didn't get to travel a lot, so it was pretty cool to get to go to some of these places I've always heard about.
I think the most rewarding part about my position is just kind of getting to work with customers. I'm a really big people person, so knowing that I made a difference in someone's day is a big deal.
You get to know people, you develop some really close friendships. It's much easier to solve problems when you're bouncing things off of other people.
Reynolds and Reynolds focuses a lot on promotion from within because it knows that the employees that they have are their greatest asset, and they know that moving them up will only move the company forward.
The greatest thing about working for an industry leader is I can say with total honesty to the customer, we have the best product. Let me demonstrate how.